Good morning, I am Zeider Santiago Mendoza García, and today I will show you what I have learned in this semester in graphic expression. I am from the group 1AM and in the program Technology in Industrial Chemical Process. Well, first of all, I want to share the things that I have learned that are divided in three categories. The first one, the theory, the second one, AutoCAD, and the third one, planimetry. In the first one, we saw the geometry in the world, some proportions and scales that every day we use, and perspectives and projections of different objects. For the second part, AutoCAD, we made some mosaics with parallel lines, and we applicate the concepts of perspectives and projections. And for the last one, we made the plan of a laboratory and his tuning and the equipment in each space. Well, the first topic is essential for understanding and representing the world, is the geometry. We use it and we see it in the nature, art, architecture, and engineering, through geometric shapes such as lines, triangles, circles, and polygons. Like the second topic, we see the scales. There are two types of scales. The first one is the numerical scale, and the second one is the graphic scale. The first one is a relation about a draw and the reality or something bigger. For example, I can draw the flat of a house and say that each centimeter is in the reality 1 meter. And for the second one, the graphic scale, it's a relation that appears in land maps, country maps, or world maps, like we see in this picture. Well, the next topic are the projections. And in this picture, we see an example of an oblique projection. That the definition is next. In Euclidean geometry, an oblique projection is one whose auxiliary projection lines are oblique to the projection plane, establishing a relationship between all the points of the projecting element and those projected. And the second topic of this part is the perspective. The perspective is the principle that allows us to represent the depth and position of objects in three-dimensional space within a two-dimensional surface. It is based on visual perception and geometric rules that help create a sense of distance and viewing. Well, in the first part, we have the program AutoCAD that was launched in 1982 by the company Autodesk, and this is a program used to draw different types of flats of buildings used by architects and some types of engineers. In the second and the third part, we see lines in AutoCAD. That this is an exercise that we made in the first cut, and now in the next diapositive we going to see it, and we also made an exercise about graphic projections that we will see later.